Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine video. Now from the top we have the X-Men plane. I already have the one in blue and this is black. It's very nice. Then we have the Ninja Turtle, King Kuda, the green Batmobile, another King Kuda, the fish and chips, Dodge Dart, we have the Datsun, the Barbie car, then we have the Ford Sierra in black, which I may buy, Volkswagen Golf, Chevy, Datsun, Mazda RX-7. This red car looks like a Nissan Skyline Silhouette, but it is not. Another Batmobile, Ford GT Racing Beetle. Now this Camaro with a missing front bonnet is very nice. So is the BMW behind. Maybe I'll get this too also. Ford Focus, the Hello truck, the Howler Polizei, another Camaro Cybertruck which I will get. And then we have the Horizons, Toyota series which I already have. So, in goes my money. Number 19. Number 41. Number 37. One more time, 37. Ooh, and we have the Toyota Tacoma, which is very nice. But this is my haul for today. On second thought, I will buy the Toyota Tacoma. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Oh, this is very nice.